Hey Amazon sellers, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check your business reports in Amazon Seller Central. Setting Seller Central activations. Start by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're on the dashboard, hover over the Reports tab in the top menu. In the drop-down menu under Reports, click on Business Reports. This will take you to the Business Reports dashboard, where you'll find a variety of useful data. Here you can select the buyer type to filter between different customer segments. If you want to view sales for a specific time period, you can use the date range filter to customize the data accordingly. Once you've selected the desired date range, simply click on Apply. The page will refresh and you'll see the updated sales details based on your selection. You'll see details such as the number of orders, units ordered, sales value, average units per order, and the average value per order for the selected date range. If you need a more detailed look at the data, you can export these reports. Simply click on the Download button and the file will be saved to your device. You can then analyze the data further using tools like Microsoft Excel. You can also apply filters to view FBA and non-FBA orders specifically. If needed, you can refresh the data by clicking on the Refresh button. Alignment tool. Inside Amazon, a complete limited edition obsidian. Thanks for watching.